I don't know. But we're back at the abandoned subway. This is abandoned. But look, the claw machine's still here. It's empty. Almost. But yeah.
So you think they're gonna make this into an arcade?
Yeah, look at that. This subway was abandoned. But yeah. Yeah. They were uncleanliness, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, but oh well. Cool little video.
Business.
They did. But yeah, here's the claw machine.
That was a popular sandwich.
Yeah. There's a plug for the machine.
Yeah.
Yeah, never seen that before.
That was a popular.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a claw. But yeah, abandoned subway
Yeah.
went out of business. That's nuts. There's the menus. Look at that. Alright. There's a claw machine. There's the exit, and there's the door. Cool. Alright, we're out of here. That was a subway. Yeah, and these pretzels, but yeah. There it is again. There's the other claw machines. Alright, we're out of here.